We all love vitamin C and we all know that it is a all-rounder ingredient for all skin types and it can work magic on your skin. However, there are these 8 things which you need to keep in mind while using vitamin C. Now, vitamin C, I've been using it for 5 years and it has changed my skin and how my skin is looking right now. So, after using a lot of vitamin C products, I want to tell you these 8 important things about vitamin C which you should never forget. First one is start with a lower concentration if you are a beginner. Now, I know there are various types of concentrations available, 5%, 10, 15, 20 and so on and so forth. But if you are a beginner, do not go more than the 5% one. If you use a higher percentage like the 10 or the 15 immediately, and if you have not had the habit of vitamin C on your skin, that can cause purging on your skin. I would recommend you to start with a milder percentage and then gradually increase the percentage as you go. Second thing is not using it consistently. I have seen so many people give up after they have applied vitamin C for a few weeks. No, it's not just for a few weeks. You need to go on for at least a few months to start seeing the difference on your skin. Inconsistency of using the product can also lead to delayed results. Even if you skip using the serum for like 2 or 3 days, that can also delay the progress. So you need to ask yourself, are you using it every single day? Now, I use the Garnier Complete Overnight Booster Serum. This has 10% vitamin C in it. Its lightweight texture absorbs into my skin easily and its non-sticky formula is just perfect for all skin types. This is the perfect vitamin C serum I feel like for all the Indian skin types. And especially this helps a lot to reduce your hyperpigmentation and oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is basically caused because of the pollution, and since we have such a fast-paced lifestyle, this serum helps to tackle that. Third mistake which people make while using vitamin C is mixing the ingredients. Oh my god, just do not do that. Combining ingredients such as AHAs, BHAs, retinols with vitamin C is a big no-no. If you mix these ingredients, you will get a lot of acne, it will cause a lot of irritation as well, and you may not even see the results. So I would honestly recommend to stick to one active, which is vitamin C. Hence, you should only stick to one ingredient at a time and do not mix all these actives together. Fourth one is identifying the expiry of vitamin C. Did you know that if you open the vitamin C bottle and if the serum starts losing its original color, meaning if it turns brown or orange, you should know that the serum has expired, and even if you use that on your face, it will not work and it won't be any effect on your skin. So once your serum turns brown, you need to know that it is expired and you need to throw it away. Fifth one is not using sunscreen. No matter what you are doing, you need to apply sunscreen, especially if you are using vitamin C. If you skip the sunscreen in the morning while you're using vitamin C, that can also lead to further sun damage. So please, always step out with wearing a sunscreen. And the sixth point is using vitamin C on your wet skin. Did you know that applying vitamin C on your wet skin or damp skin can also reduce the efficiency of the product? So I usually cleanse, tone and then use this serum and make sure that my skin is dry. Seventh mistake, oh my god, I feel like 90% of the people make this mistake, is to store the bottle of your vitamin C at a proper sunlight distance, like you know where the sun can reach, the sunlight can reach. That can also make your vitamin C products expire way faster. One of the best ways to store vitamin C serum or any serum is to store it in a closed cabinet or a drawer where there is no sunlight coming through. And if you have been doing that, you might have seen that your vitamin C products expire way sooner than they tend to. Lastly, but never the least, skipping moisturizer. If you skip moisturizer after using vitamin C, trust me, why are you doing that? Vitamin C can be drying to some people, and if you're leaving your skincare routine incomplete, that can further cause to uneven, unmoisturized skin and also irritated skin. So just make sure to complete your skincare routine as it is healthier for your skin as well. Those are the 8 things which I want you to know about using vitamin C. Go ahead and check out the Garnier Complete Overnight Booster Serum and start your skincare journey towards a healthy skin now.